How do you know when to use multiplication or division when solving a comparison word problem? A bus is 35 feet long. It is 5 times as long as a car. How long is the car? Do I use multiplication or division to solve this word problem? How do I know? In this lesson, you will learn how to solve a multiplicative comparison word problem by using multiplication or division. Okay, let's review. A blue hat costs $6. A red hat costs 3 times as much as the blue hat. How much does the red hat cost? Well, let's see what I know. I know that the blue hat is $6. I also know that the red hat is 3 times as much. 1, 2, 3. So I've got my bar models representing the blue hat and the red hat. I'm going to plug in $6 into each of the sections of the red hat. I'm going to combine those together. And I find out that my red hat costs $18 because $6 times 3 groups equals $18. Okay, let's try another one. The giraffe is 20 feet tall. The kangaroo is 5 feet tall. The giraffe is how many times taller than the kangaroo? Let's think about what we know in this, and so we can figure out to use multiplication or division. I know my kangaroo is 5 feet tall. I know the giraffe is 20 feet tall. So as I'm looking at this, I don't know how many times taller the giraffe is. I am missing one of my factors. So I'm going to use division to solve this problem. So I'm going to take 20 feet, I'm going to divide it by 5 feet, and I'm going to figure out what's my unknown number. How many times taller? 20 feet divided by 5 equals 4 times taller. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could also actually set this up as a multiplication equation because I am missing one of my factors. So instead of the division, I could also do multiplication. 5 feet times my unknown number equals 20 feet. And I know that 5 times 4 equals 20 feet, so once again, 4 times taller. Let's try one more. A bus is 35 feet long. The bus is 5 times as long as a car. How long is a car? Okay, what do I know? I have no idea how long the car is. That's what I'm solving for. But I do know that the bus is 35 feet long, and I know that it is 5 times as long as the car. So as I look at this bar model, I'm once again missing one of my factors, so I'm going to try multiplication first this time. So 5 times some number, which is going to tell me how long the car is, equals 35 feet. And I know 5 times 7 equals 35, so the car is 7 feet long. Let's check it with division to make sure. So I take 35 feet, I divide it by 5, because that's how many times as long the car is. And once again, I get that the car is 7 feet long. In this lesson, you have learned how to solve a multiplicative comparison word problem by using multiplication or division.